back to our new tutorial. Today we are going to deal with VisualBasic.NET project from the scratch. In this project, we are going to develop a PDF Finder app. The app will be able to search all PDF files in computer and open them.
Your project should look like this. It should be able to perform the following functions: search all PDF files or view all files. You can search either by directory or folder, hard disk drive or USB drive. Also, you can open and read PDF files. And this is the demo. Browse, select the folder, open, choose the pattern, search, open the file. Yes, the file is open. You can maximize to see it well. We can see the back home button. You can scroll up or down if you want to read the file. We see the other of the book. We go back home. That's search by direct. We come to search by hard drive. Select the drive. I select D. Choose the pattern. Search. We see the PDF files. I open one, and this is our file. You can scroll down or up. You scroll down if you want to read the book or the PDF file. You can exit or go back home and exit at the home page. Yes for exit or no. I open again the PDF files and exit by clicking yes.
Click on File, New, Project. To make a new project, Windows Form application. Name your project as PDF. Click OK to create your form. Now extend your form to the right side. Yes, extend it downward. On text or form, write find PDF files. Then you should choose icon to add the icon on form. That is our icon. The next thing we are going to do is to choose color of form. The color will be control dark. Now we are going to add the label on your form. Text on label should be PDF Finder app. Yes, it should be that way. Font should be bold. Then of size, yeah, 20 will look nice that way. Okay. Another thing we're gonna choose is group box. Yeah, so that our label should be in side of box. It should be enclosed. Yes. List box, drop it and extend it. Yes, extend your form to the downward. Okay. Group box again to group or to enclose a list box. Text clear. Yes, our list box should be enclosed inside of group box. Yes. Add another list box. Put it beside your first list box, that is list box 2. You should add group box to enclose list box 2. Yes. Remove text. Yes, it should look like. Yes, make sure group box enclose list box 1 and group box enclose list box 2 are on the same line. Yeah, now it is looking nice. Another group box, extend it to the downward. Remove text, clear. Yes, that's way. Now it's time to add label. Click on label and add inside of group box number 3. Your label. Text on label should be search by directory. Yes. The font of the word should be bold and of size 14. Now add the second label, drag and drop it inside of group box number 3. On label, write search by hard drive. Yes, fonts should be bold, 14 size. Another component to add is text box. Yes, it should stay there. Another is button. Text on button should be browse. Drag it. Another component to add is label. On label light pattern. The fonts of word should be bold and of size 12. Another component to add is combo box. Click to edit items and items or option added in combo box will be find all PDF files, find all PDF files, or view all files. Click OK. Items are already added in our combo box 1. Maximize your form to the downward so as we can have more space for our design. Text box, add it, yes. This, our second text box, should be long, so maximize it to match with the length of search by hard drive. The name of label should be pattern. Click on that. Bring it inside our group box number 3. Fonts should be bold and of size 12. So add another component, which is combo box, and we should edit to add items in a combo box as we have done in search by directory. So these options are the same. User will be able to search or to see files group D into 2 subcategory, which is all PDF, find all PDF, or user can view all files. Extend your group box number 3. Extend your form to the downward. Squeeze your control to the downward so that we can add button for searching and a button to stop the search. Add more to button. Yeah, this is on text of button light search. On the second button, light stop. Yeah, the same search. Then stop. Yes, drag it inside our group box number 3. Drag it inside of our group box number 3. Extend your form. Extend it. Drag your search button. Drag your stop button. Yes. Make sure every feature is on the same line with other matching feature. Yes, you can keep on maximize your group box number 1 and maximize your list box number 1. So these are our next 2 Rust button. On button, light open PDF, and on another button, light exit. Yes. Fonts should be bold 12. Open PDF. Make sure your words inside of button are well visible. Fonts should be bold 12. Extend it that way. Yes. Now our form number 1 design is looking nice. Yes. On button, we can add fonts to make it bold so that it can be well visible by user. So click on bold, then size 10, okay. Now you can see our browse button is looking nice. So on our search button of search by director, click to make modification of fonts, which is bold, size 10. Stop button should also be bold and of size 10. Also, our search and stop button in search by hard drive should also be bold and of size 10. Yes, that's it. That's it. Our form is now looking nice. This is the design of form number 1 in our project. Click on form to add some few piece of line or code of line, so that to center the form when we start our project. It means that adding these few lines will make Windows form to stay on the center screen. It will be centered. So me.left is equal to bracket screen dot primary screen dot working area dot width minus me dot width front slash to me dot top is equal to brackets screen dot primary screen dot working area minus dot height. Yes, here we have forgotten dot height minus me dot height front slash 2. Then we should import system dot io into new line, imports system dot security. Now I think everything is clear. You can start your project to view your design. Now this is the end of Form 1 design in our project from the scratch. List box 1 dot items dot clear bracket message box dot show bracket double quotes searching stop D. Now start your project. From toolbox, find browser folder, dialog, drag and drop it on your phone. Then find open file dialog, drag and drop, double click on folder browse dialog to go into your source code, write function which is private sub browse button underscore click bracket sender as object, comma, E as event, ARGS handles, button one dot click sender as object. Make sure the first spelling of sender should be small letter. If folder browse dialog 1 dot show dialog bracket is equal to dialog result dot OK. Yeah, let's make some few correction on the top of our form. DIM folder capital D LG as new folder browse dialog. Then text box 1 dot text is equal to folder dlg dot selected path, which is the path of folder being browsed. The path will go to be filled in text box 1. DIM root as environment dot special folder is equal to folder dlg dot load folder that is the end. Start your project and test if we can browse. Wow, everything is fine. Now we can browse a file and the path of the file is going to be filled in a text box. Okay, click on search button, move up above private subfolder browse dialog underscore help request, write the following codes offline. Private sub list files brackets by val lst as list box, comma, by val pattern as string comma by val dir underscore info as directory info try dim fs underscore infos brackets as file info is equal to dir underscore info dot get files brackets pattern for each fs underscore info as file info in fs underscore infos list box 1 dot items dot add fs underscore info dot full name to get the full name of the file which will be added in the list box 1 after being searched. Next, fs underscore info fs underscore infos is equal to nothing search files in the subdirectory. So after try first 5 lines will search all files present within a directory. They will be added. Fs underscore infos is equal to nothing means that if there is no file or files in directory, our code or our program will move to search those PDF files in subdirectories. So comment search files in the subdirectories. dim sub dirs bracket as directory info is equal to dir underscore info dot get directories brackets for each sub dirs for each subdirectory as directory info in sub dirs list files brackets list pattern sub dir next sub dir catch ex as exception to handle error message box dot show brackets ex dot message if there will happen an error our message will be shown up. Yes, our source code should look like that. So you can move so inside sub button to click you should write the following source code click on search button and write the following source code if brackets combo box one which is combo box in search by director dot text is equal to nothing means that if user will have chosen nothing in combo box which held the pattern of searching. We should give a certain message to the user that you need to choose pattern either to view or to find PDF files or to view all files. So if combo box one dot text is equal to nothing, then message box dot show brackets double quotes choose option below semicolon, bracket, find all PDF or bracket view all file. Underneath of end if, let it try dim pattern as string is equal to combo box 1 dot text. It means that a variable which is of type string called pattern will take the searching pattern from combo box, which will be filled user input. If pattern dot index of bracket semicolon bracket greater than is equal to 0, then pattern is equal to pattern dot substring brackets 0, comma pattern dot index of brackets double quotes brackets and if list files brackets list box 1 pattern, then dir underscore info, the list file will involve list box 1 pattern of searching and directory information, catch exception, message box dot show. If anything goes wrong, give this message to the user of our application. Message box dot show brackets double quotes browse directory to search and try and sub. Now your codes of line should look like this, even though in our line list files brackets list box 1, comma, pattern, comma, dir underscore info, it shows us there is a variable is not declared, which is dir underscore info. So let's declare it dim dir underscore info as new directory info in the brackets text box 1 dot text. Yes, you should declare it like that way. Now double click stop button, list box 1 dot items dot clear brackets message box dot show bracket double quotes searching stopped. From design, start your project to test the stop button, browse directory to search PDF files, choose pattern, find all PDF, search, stop, double click search button and write the following codes of line. This is search button of search by hard drive. If combo box 2 dot text is equal to nothing, means if there is no any search pattern chosen, then message box dot show brackets double quotes, choose option below, semicolon, bracket, find all PDF or brackets, view all files, and if try dim pattern as string is equal to combo box 2 dot text bracket if pattern dot index of brackets double quotes, single brackets, greater than, equal to 0, then pattern is equal to pattern dot substring brackets 0, comma, pattern dot index of index of bracket double quotes, single bracket, dir underscore info as new directory info bracket text box 2 dot txt. No, you should clear single text. It should be read as text box 2 dot txt. List files, list box 1, comma, pattern, comma, dir underscore info. Clear single text. Yes, it should look like that way. Text box 2 dot txt. Catch ex as exception message box dot show brackets double quotes, choose one of drive to search. Now that is your source code. Underneath of pattern, write the following: added line list box 1 dot items dot clear bracket. Checking our source code from design 1, start your project. Now search by hard drive I'm going to choose local disk E or hard drive E, which is USB flash. Pattern, find all PDF, search. Now our searching button is well functioning. You can choose local disk D, which is partition in your computer. Now it is capable of searching all files present in both computer hard drive or connected USB drive. Double click stop button. List box 1 dot items dot clear brackets message box dot show brackets double quotes searching stopped. Start your project. Choose hard drive to search. Local disk E. This is USB drive. Choose pattern. Find PDF. Search. Stop D. Now stop button is implemented. Double click open PDF button and write the following codes offline. If list box 1 dot selected item is nothing. If user has not selected anything or any PDF file to open, then message box dot show brackets double quote please select a file to open. Exit sub to exit sub if nothing is selected. Getting the path of the file. As we everybody know that to open a file, you need to get its location. That is the path of the file. DIM file path is equal to list box 1 dot selected item dot to string if my dot computer dot file system dot file exists. If the file existing, then we pass the file path or file location. If the file path is equal to 4, which means if that file is already deleted or it is not present, user should be prompted with the following message: file is not found means that is a wrong path selected. Underscore file path to show the path of file which is false, not found. Exit sub underneath of and if write the following code of line. If file path dot end with, if the file path, that's the name or the whole location of file ends with .pdf is equal to true. If the file path ends with .pdf is equal to true, then do the following. Form2 show bracket form2 ax acro pdf1, which is component to enable the opening of PDF files from Adobe Acrobat Reader. You are told to download me.hide bracket enter new line else dim file info text as string is equal to get text for output brackets file path msg box file info text comma vb information comma double quotes file information message box dot show double quotes please select PDF file message dot show add space. So underneath of end sub you should write private function get text for output brackets by val file path as string as string. Okay, inside of your private function getText for output, write the following codes of lines. If my.computer.filesystem.fileExist file path is equal to fourth, then through new exception brackets double quotes file not exist. The file is not present. After confirming that the file path is fourth, prompt a message to the user that file not exist. Yes, underneath of and if write the following code of lines, comment string builder to build a string, dim sb as new system dot text dot string builder dim this file as system dot io dot file info is equal to my dot computer dot file system dot get file info brackets file path to get file information from file path. Enter new line to add more space for your source code. sb dot append bracket. Now you should copy it and paste it 5 times. Yes, so far so nice. sb.append brackets double quotes file and this file dot full name, yes, but these codes should be enclosed Word file, yes, sb.append vb crlf sb.append double quotes modified and this file dot last write time dot to string sb.append vb crl small f sb.append size, and this file dot length to string and double quotes bytes sb.append small letter vb capital S small r capital R F, then add some new lines for adding more source code. If sr.pick bracket is greater or equals to 0, then sb.append bracket double quotes first line and sr read line, and if now you can see SR is highlighted, means it is not declared variable being used before declaration is an error in a programming language. So we will need to make some modification or to declare it SR dot close bracket. So let's declare it, move up to leave a space for SR declaration, dim SR as system dot io dot stream reader is equal to my dot computer dot file system dot open text file reader. Brackets, then file path. Now checking our source code if there is more modification. Return sb dot toString brackets. Click on search button for advanced modification. Text box. Two dot text is equal to double empty quotes. Combo box 2 dot text is equal to double empty quotes. Click again on search button for advanced modification. Text box 1 dot text is equal to double empty quotes. Combo box 1 dot text is equal to empty double quotes. After that, start your project. So the meaning of this advanced modification is that once you have finished, search either by directory or by hard drive, it will clear text box and combo box. Now you have finished. If you move to the second option of searching by hard drive, it will clear the text box and the combo box of search by directory. Double click exit button. dim msg as a string msg is equal to msg box bracket double quote. Do you want to exit? Comma VB exclamation addition sign to concatenate VB yes no comma double quote warning if msg is equal to VB, yes, then me dot cross bracket
Before you carry on with Form 2 implementation, make sure that you have installed Adobe Acrobat Reader in your computer. If not, go to Google, write download Adobe Reader for Windows 10, then click
right click on PDF, then add new item. To add Form 2, choose Windows Form. Form 2 is added. Extend Form 2. Extend Form 2 downward. Yeah, your form should look like this. Yes, click on Toolbox, right click any item, then go to choose item. Under components, make sure first two items of Adobe are checked. Mark them, then click OK to add your Adobe item on form. After that, light Adobe, drag and drop Adobe PDF Reader on your form, extend it, yeah, extend it downward. Make sure Adobe PDF Reader fits well on your form. Extend it upward. Yeah, extend it to the left side of our form. Then find one property called the anchor. Then check left and the bottom side as shown. Then we should give the name of our form. Our form should be called lead file, lead PDF files. Yeah, that is. Then we should choose the icon of our form. Click on it to browse and add. That is our icon for form number 2. Click on Toolbox and then add 2 buttons. First button, then add the second button. Yeah, put it at the beginning and end of our PDF. Name button 1 as back home. This is button which will send back a user at home after reading PDF file. Then fonts should be bold, then 10 of size 10. Extend your button to make all words visible. Name button number 2, bold it size 10, then name it as exit button. Double click back home button. Form 1 dot show bracket me dot hide bracket. Double click exit button, dim msg as a string, msg is equal to msg box dot show bracket double quote, do you want to exit, comma, VB exclamation, addition sign to concatenate, VB, yes, no, comma, double quote, warning, yeah, it is correct, it should be msg box remove dot show. If msg is equal to VBS, then me dot close form1 dot close bracket.
This is the final testing after the completion of your project from the scratch.
Click Start button to run your project. Now browse folder, choose pattern, find all PDF, search, click on it, open. Now you can see your book is opened. Yes, this is the author of the book, as you can see. Back home button, open it again. Now you can exit here or exit at home. Back home. Now we are going to search by hard drive. Choose local disk D. Choose pattern, find all PDF, search, OK. Now you can see these are our PDF files, as you can see them from the look upon our app. Click on it, open. Wow, so great, so curing. This book is looking amazing. Cancel to maximize it. Back home, open again. Now exit.